Unit 1 Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. The 5 subunits are Excite, Relate, Purpose, Possibilities, and AI Ethics. And in this video, we will be covering 1.4 Possibilities. So in this unit, basically, we have to know the applications of AI globally. The first application is Echo. Echo was launched by Amazon, which is a revolutionary product that can help you to search the web for information, schedule appointments, shop, control lights, switches, thermostats, answer questions, read audiobooks, reports, traffic and weather, gives you info on local businesses, provides sports scores and schedules and more. The next is Alexa. Its usefulness and its uncanny ability to decipher speech from anywhere in the room has made it a revolutionary product that can help us use the web for information, shopping, schedule appointments, set alarms, and a million of other things. Help power our smart homes and be a conduit for those that might have limited mobility. The next is Google Maps. Using anonymized location data from smartphones, Google Maps can analyze the speed of movement of traffic at any given time. Maps can now more easily incorporate user-reported traffic incidents like construction and accidents. Maps can reduce commutes by suggesting the fastest routes to and from work. Spam filters. A spam filter is a program that is used to detect unsolicited and unwanted email and prevent those messages from getting to a user's inbox. A spam filter looks for certain criteria on which it bases judgments. Spam filters must continuously learn from a variety of signals such as the words in the message metadata, where it's sent from, who sent it, etc., suspicious word patterns or word frequency. It can further personalize its result based on your own definition of what constitutes spam. Gmail successfully filters 99.9% of spam through the use of machine learning algorithms. Smart Reply. Gmail introduced Smart Reply to Inbox in 2015, a next generation email interface. Smart Reply uses machine learning to automatically suggest 3 different brief but customized responses to answer the email. Hello Barbie. Hello Barbies are the range of toys that use 3 concepts of AI: language processing, machine learning, and advanced analytics for satisfying the needs of the children. Each of the Hello Barbie is equipped with a microphone. This microphone records what the child says and the Hello Barbie sends this information to the AI servers. These servers analyze what has been said, select from the preset dialogues more than 8,000 lines, and transmit the response to the Barbie. IBM Watson. Watson is a suite of enterprise-ready AI services, applications and tools provided by IBM. It can be used in multiple ways to develop different products and or applications. Chief Watson is an AI chef that can develop recipes on its own and help human chefs create new and unique flavors. Watson Beat provides composers with new inspiration by creating themes and musical elements. It can also help musicians understand the need for their audience better. DeepMind. Google created DeepMind with an inspiration from neuroscience. The idea was to create an AI system that is able to mimic human brains. Google's DeepMind has successfully defeated human players in a number of games. Google is expanding the system to healthcare sector. Here, DeepMind is reducing time required for planning treatments and helping diagnosing sicknesses. Volvo is a car company that uses AI for replacing components and servicing vehicles. Volvo collects data from its vehicles in a number of ways. This system is fed to the AI systems for helping Volvo maintain its impressive safety record. The AI system can help Volvo to improve the vehicle's performance in stressful situations and increase the driver and passenger experience. Volvo is also using this data from researching and developing self-driving vehicles. Let us look at the possibilities using AI technology. First is creating AI-based media platform. There are prospects of AI creating media platforms in which viewer or listener can choose their needs, such as the genre of music to listen to. Our so-called smart devices will no longer provide a discrete response and instead will offer human-like responses and even sensible solutions. Availability of an individual's virtual assistant with information of the person's daily life routine, thus facilitating them in their day-to-day goals and needs. Availability of multiple voice-based gadgets. This is where most of the basic items such as cars and televisions will be customized for individuals. Replacement of credit cards with a facial recognition technology, which will be possible because of the biometrics capabilities. AI in healthcare provision. Healthcare will adopt AI systems, for instance, in diagnostic specialties. AI will shorten your commute even further via self-driving cars that will result in up to 90% fewer accidents, more efficient ride sharing, to reduce the number of cars on the road by up to 75%, and smart traffic lights that reduce wait times by 40% and overall travel time by 26% in a pilot study. We will be able to control everything at our fingertips, like turn on your lights, play your favorite music, or change your room temperature at the tap of your smartphone. You can now keep track of ambient temperature across corners and automatically send commands to your central cooling unit to facilitate optimum cooling. Last but not the least, we can even talk to our guests from anywhere. Ask the delivery boys to drop the parcels and keep away suspicious people. If at office or on a vacation, you can even monitor the main door status from remote locations for the ultimate peace of your mind. Let us understand the career and skills in human beings versus intelligence. So technology versus employment is an age-old debate, but it's becoming more and more real with each passing year as companies lean towards automation to improve productivity and margins. Thanks to AI, bots and algorithms, jobs are disappearing at faster pace than they are being created. The panic based on the notion that artificial intelligence is taking away all our jobs might well be artificial. AI is not going to take away our jobs. It will displace some jobs, yes, but it will more likely change what human workers do. Jobs will shift and evolve, not disappear. AI will augment how people complete their work by doing things like pulling and analyzing data to aid in real-time decision making. The fact is that AI is likely to create more jobs than it will destroy. Of course, AI will automate routine work, starting in lower skilled areas with repeatable, measurable tasks, but research firm Gartner predicts that in near future AI will create more jobs than it will eliminate. If we talk about the creative skills, so yes, AI is helping people write hit songs and is composing music, but AI will not be able to be truly replicate a human's ability to create, invent and be inspiring. In terms of social skills, machines are not great at interpersonal interactions, being leaders or participating in a brainstorm. AI will also find it hard to have intercultural sensitivity, which is fundamental for successful employees of global companies. Emotional skills. AI technology is not close to being able to replicate empathy, adaptability, and other emotional skills. while AI is empowering doctors and nurses with information to help them make decisions and complete various tasks, the human touch and the conversation with a doctor will always remain important. Ultimately, AI automation is a reality and some jobs will not be lost. Types of artificial intelligence careers. Now, AI careers can be broadly classified into two types. First is jobs requiring advanced training and education. These jobs usually are related to research, development, and deployment of AI systems. And the second one is jobs in which entry requirements are comparatively low. These jobs are typically related to operations of the AI systems. The core research, development and deployment in AI, software analysts, software developers, computer scientists, computer engineers, algorithm specialists, data scientists, research scientists, machine learning engineers and business intelligence developers. If we talk about the field and area specialists in AI, then we have engineers, mechanical, electrical, construction, etc., medical professionals, defense force specialists, graphic designers, architects, musicians, and entertainment specialists. Let us look at some of the skill set required for some AI related careers. First one is machine learning engineer. It is one of the most in demand AI related career, responsible for developing and managing machine learning projects. Here the pre-requirements are understanding of different programming languages, understanding of applied research and data science, and strong mathematical skills. Data scientists. Individuals who love to play with data, responsible for collecting, analyzing and drawing interpretation from huge data sets of big data. We need knowledge of big data platforms like Hive, Hadoop, MapReduce, etc. Knowledge of statistical computing and programming languages like Perl and Python. Strong analytical and communication skills. Next, business intelligence developer. Subset of data scientists responsible for analyzing data to identify business and market trends. Job requires designing, modeling, analyzing, interpreting and maintaining of data sets. Here, strong technical and analytical skills are required. Background in engineering, computer science or any related field is required, and experience of business and markets is required. Last, AI research scientists. These scientists conduct research in the field of artificial intelligence. They add to the knowledge of AI, and for this, master's or doctorate degree in computer science or related field is needed, and a strong background in applied mathematics is needed. So this was all about this topic. Thank you.